Kajing temu jong ke sorkar jela ban Pynkhih no ya ki brio ki basa Them-metor sya kawai pat ka jaka kalaya chakmat menta katkum kajing a jingmut jong ka high level committee na kalyang jong usembut menteri rangba ka jela uba prestun tensong habakren bat kilat pathai khubor hadin ka Harijan Panchayat Committee hakani gesngi balang kilarai ban ya kynduh biang haka arpasan tarik menta ubnai na ka benta ban prestet ya ketiga kam katkum kajing ong jong u kidon hadu lais pa saufa arteli ki long yeng bat kini baro kidai ki bateri hakat nak sorkar kentup ya kitu ki bateri nadu mensyua
To the committee of Harijan Panchayat, I would like to inform you that the meeting went well, very productive meeting we had. And then from the government side, I have already told them very, very candidly that the relocation has to take place as per the recommendation made by the high level committee, and then alternative places for them is also being considered by the government, where they can shift to, if not in one place, maybe to different places. So I've told them, see, you please take back this information to your community, discuss with them, and then please come back to the government. Because this is as per the indication made in the Honorable High Court. Even the Honorable High Court would like to see that settlement is happen at the earliest possible before they proceed for the cases. So therefore, I'm so happy today. The members, the chairman, the secretary, and another two members of the committee, they came and met me in the meeting. We have discussed openly, frankly. So now they will go back, and then another meeting we will have is fixed on the 25th of this month again, 3 o'clock in this same place. So maybe in the second meeting, I will be able to tell you exactly what is the status of the issue of relocation of that place, Harijan colony, to other places. Right now we are on the job. We are on the job. Few places we have identified, but I cannot tell you right now because we are yet to finalize everything. So let the details report be given by the concerned municipal board as well as by the urban affairs department. Then only I'll be able to tell you exactly where is the location to be shifted for these friends or brothers, sisters of ours who stays there in Harijan College. Yes, they are also happy, and they said that they'll go back and take the confidence and the consent of each and every citizen who stays in that Harijan College. The total household of that place, not in terms of population, in terms of household, we have 342 numbers. So I tell you, we have I think I've already told you that time, it's about 300 plus. 300 plus means 300 plus in, you know, with the numbers given by the committee, and because 342 numbers of household is already even submitted to the Honorable High Court, and even from our department we have checked it, and it is tallying 342 numbers of the household. So right now, in fact, the quarters is being repaired. The repairing work is still on. So once that is done, then the shifting will take place. See, right now, in fact, that numbers 342. Let me just tell you, it's a little long story. 342 household. In fact, they are all employees. Not only the employees of the existing strength, but the employees of maybe 15 years back, 10 years back, and then again their children, they continue working. So this is what we ultimately got the numbers of 342 families.